If you have ever installed Windows 11 from a USB drive, you likely know Rufus. It is a gold standard for creating bootable media, and as of April 30th, version 4.14 has been released, and it introduces two specific features that fundamentally change how we handle Windows installation. Today, we're going to walk through the changelog and show you exactly how to use these new tools to create a cleaner, faster Windows experience. So what's new in Rufus 4.14? The headline updates are found under the Windows User Experience Improvements. These are the options that appear right before Rufus begins writing to your USB. 1. Quality of life improvements. This is a major update. There is now a single checkbox to disable what the developer calls Microsoft's forced harassment. This includes automatically stripping out Teams, Outlook, and Copilot. Instead of uninstalling these manually after your setup, Rufus handles it during the installation process. 2. Silent installation. This is a powerful but advanced feature. It allows Windows to install automatically on the first detected disk without any user prompts. While incredible for IT professionals deploying multiple machines, it carries risks that we will discuss later in the setup. 3. Secure boot and technical updates, which has SKU policy, a technical addition related to secure boot policy revocation, KB 5042562, and improvement tool tips. Every option in the dialog now has a descriptive tooltip, making the tool much more beginner-friendly and easier. And the last one, which is hardware compatibility, added support for EI Toretto UEFI image extraction, primarily for Dell BIOS updates, and better detection of Bitdefender's virtual drives. Before we start, ensure you have three things. 1. The Rufus 4.14 executable. Download this only from the official site rufus.ie. Rufus is portable, meaning there is no installer. You just run the exe setup. The second thing, a Windows 11 ISO. Download the multi-edition ISO directly from Microsoft's official software download page. And the last thing is a USB drive. You need at least 8 GB of space. Warning, this process will wipe all data currently on your USB, so backup your files before proceeding. Now let's walk through step-by-step configuration. First, the device selection. Open Rufus and ensure your USB drive is selected in the device drop-down. Double-check this to avoid accidentally wiping the wrong drive. Second, boot section. Click select and navigate to your downloaded Windows 11 ISO. Rufus will automatically configure the standard settings. Third, which is partition scheme. For almost any PC made in the last 10 years, keep this set to GPT and UEFI. If you are struggling with this, here is a method you can know by yourself. If you have UEFI or MBR, you want to go to search and type system configuration, click on that and look for BIOS mode. It says UEFI. In my case, so I have UEFI BIOS. So I let that set to GPT and UEFI. For the format options, you can rename the volume label, example Windows 11 Pro install, but leave the file system and cluster size at their defaults. When you click Start, a customization window appears. This is where the magic happens. You have bypass hardware requirements. Check this if you are installing Windows 11 on an older PC that lacks TPM 2.0 or secure boot. But I don't recommend you to do that. Upgrade your CPU, your GPU, your all hardware first, so you can install Windows 11 to run smoothly in your PC. If you don't have the requirements, keep Windows 10. It's a good replacement. Remove online account requirement. This allows you to set up Windows with a local account, skipping the forced Microsoft login, which is annoying. And disable data collection. This automatically sets all privacy toggles like location, advertising, ID, etc. to off. And disable BitLocker. Check this if you don't want Windows to automatically encrypt your drive, which can lead to a lockout if you lose your recovery key. QoL improvements. This is the new 4.14 feature from Rufus. Check this to remove the bloatware, Teams, Copilot, etc. automatically. This is exactly helping. That's what we want from Windows, actually, from Microsoft. Anyway, the silent installation. Warning, please. The silent installation option is the most dangerous setting. It will install Windows on disk 0. The first disk the system detects without asking for confirmation. That's the risk. Disk 0 isn't always your primary SSD. It could be a secondary storage drive. The recommendation: only use this if you have physically unplugged all other drives except the target drive. Also note that version 4.14 from Rufus has a known bug where it might hang at 75% during a silent install, so use it with caution. Once your selections are made, click OK. Rufus will warn you one last time that the USB will be formatted. Click OK again. Once the status bar says ready, your Windows 11 installer is complete. You can now plug this into your target PC, boot from the USB via your BIOS settings, and enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined Windows 11 installation. Rufus 4.14 continues to make Windows installation more accessible and customizable. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe for more technical guides. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full walkthrough on the actual Windows installation process next. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.